You can see everyone, I'm out in the garden, and it's raining as usual. It's been quite a good day today. I brought you here because I want to talk to you guys about what happened. Used to be in this area. We used to actually have a. Well, you can't actually see. You see that in there used to be the JJKG Productions den. So we used to meet Josh here. George used to sort of walk around, and we used to go through the entrance. The entrance is there, as you can see. So where those chairs are to these sort of those chairs. And we used to go around the back. Has it gone red? Sorry about that. And because it's oh my god, it's getting really heavy. But yeah, we used to. Well, I was going to show you, but I think it's a bit rainy at the moment. It's a Tuesday the 20. I can't remember. Something Tuesday something. It's wet. Very wet. Oh god, very wet. Jesus, shit. Fudge. Let's get something. I've talked to you inside. It's basically we're running. It's a shit day. Sorry about that. The video I pressed the stop button by mistake. But actually, I forgot what I said I was going to talk to you about today. We'll forget about that another day. I don't even know. Basically, I went to the old Hunter's Lodge in Riverstone to have a meal. It was really nice. Stop raining meal, which was nice. We just sort of, I had scampi, hotel scampi with chips and nice peas here. And my new jeans, and a new top. But this is basically just a load of bollocks, really, and it's just another stupid, crappy video of Jordan Maynard. This is the garden. Oh, fart, it stinks. Sit in the chair for a second. I might be protecting the chair here. As you can see, I'm just sitting here. Sitting down in the rain. Sitting in the rain. Yeah, just doing that. Sitting here. Yeah, the garden, basically what happened was, it used to be that we used to do JJK Productions, used to be a den. It was in there, and we used to sort of have the briefcase. The briefcase is in the shed, so that shed there. We used to do stuff. We don't do stuff anymore, obviously. But, yeah. That's about it, really. Interesting, wasn't it? That's getting heavy again. Jesus Christ. Hide under here a second. You can see we're hiding in the area. God, what's going on here? Jesus, this is mental. So I'm in the area now. I'm in the trees. I think someone's been murdered, actually. As you see through there, if I show you the eyes. That's where sort of through that bit there. You can see that's where the compost bit, where the compost bin is. That's where it is. Yeah, compost bin. Yeah, we'll just walk forward. Tune out. Pizza. Yeah, spacing everywhere. Tap at the bin. Bin. See, we've got cars. Wet. Oh, I've just busted it over myself. I'm hungry. I'm getting something to eat. Bye.